Hey guys, welcome back to Tech and Travel family. We know it's been a while and we're really excited to come back to you guys with a new video with a very exciting unboxing of a very exciting Apple product.
Yep.
It's Patrick and Sebastian here. And,
hello.
Hi. It's been a while, but we're really excited to get back on the channel and share more tech and travel things with you, including this unboxing. The beautiful backdrop you see here is Future Automation and Design, my showroom in Redondo Beach where we do high-end custom home theater, home automation, and things like that. So there'll be more videos coming out in the future about that. But for now, enjoy this unboxing video of the MacBook Neo that we have here. And this is in the Indigo color, which you can see matches very nicely with some of the sky blue Indigo type of colors for the iPhone 17.
Especially on the camera part right here, definitely.
Yep. And this is the 512 gig storage model. So we're gonna unbox it and kind of like share some initial thoughts with you guys.
Yep.
Sebastian is going to unbox it now.
Yeah, so this is the MacBook Neo. It's very great from what I've been hearing. And it is a bit heavier than I was expecting for a device like this, but let's open it. So here we got the flagship Apple Aero tab thingy. And so I'm gonna pull it.
That's the technical term, Aero tab thingy.
Yes.
Yep.
And there's two of them.
We like technical terms around here.
Yes, very amazing.
So you were saying something about the weight of it a little bit?
Yeah, it was a bit heavier than
what
I thought, because they were saying it's like 2.7 pounds, because I know it is in the packaging and all that, but yeah, let's open it up. Give you guys the first look. There we go. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but it says the hello in the very amazing looking Apple font. Yep. Yes.
Okay, so let's
I'm gonna pull it. Hello Neo. So here it is. I'm gonna pull it out of the paper like so. Very awesome ways of unboxing here.
That's the high anticipation.
Yeah,
way.
Very amazing way.
That's a very nice color.
Yes,
let's bring it closer into the light so that we can see the accurate color.
There it is.
So it's yeah, depending on the light, it has like a really beautiful blue appearance. Yeah. Like that. I guess that blue, purple, indigo type of color. Yep. So not quite blue, not quite purple.
And if we look in the box, there's the thing that's in every single Apple device box that says designed by Apple in California.
And accessories that are included.
And accessories are the USB-C to USB-C cable, along with the 20-watt charging brick that is also found in iPad boxes and iPhone boxes. So that's pretty cool.
Pretty cool. All right, let's open it up.
Here we go. Okay.
Very nice. Automatically starts up, and you can see the new keyboard. That's this new type of keyboard that's lighter in color.
Yep. Now it's booting up. And if you look here, it's kind of cool because over here where we live, LA, it's we're heavy Dodgers fans, and so it's like blue and white. It's like good Dodgers colors, if you know what I mean. There it is.
Keys feel really good. Very similar to like a MacBook Air.
There we go. Language, English. There's an arrow to press. Okay. Been wanting to try macOS on the new modern laptops.
Let's get a look really quick too of the thinness of this. So in one hand, very, very light. It feels very similar to a MacBook Air 13-inch. Here you can see the side ports that you have. 2 USB-Cs on there.
And this one is USB-C Type 3 and then USB 2, but the USB-C...
macOS contains a built-in screen
and right here is the new speakers.
If you know how to use VoiceOver.
With the 1/8-inch jack for the headphones. So that's the new speaker location, first time on a Mac.
And if you look at the trackpad, it's actually like an actual clicking one this time, not like with the traditional ones.
Yeah, not the force trackpad, but a mechanical click, which is pretty cool.
Nice. Nice aesthetic feeling. United States.
So we'll get this set up and give you a few more first thoughts.
Yep.
I just want to show you guys that in this setup, it does give you this screen, software updates. Yep. To updates required to continue before putting in preparing Mac OS Tahoe 26.3.2, but a very quick so far in the setup. We're
Yes,
pretty
very
impressed
fast
so far.
for a iPhone-based chip.
Yep, almost
And
done.
also, this is now the full brightness, so it's pretty bright for
Pretty bright,
a
500
MacBook.
nits, I believe. Yeah, just like a MacBook Air at half the cost. So we're just setting up the fingerprint ID now on the MacBook Neo. So it has the built-in fingerprint for security and also purchases and things like that. Very
Touch
very
ID.
cool. Very cool to have Touch ID in this budget of a laptop.
And also something weird with the Neos is that if you want the Touch ID, then you have to pay an extra $100, but that they only give it to you with the 512 gigabyte option or half a terabyte for those nerdy people.
Oh, that's good too.
Yeah.
Well, we're those nerdy people, so that
Yeah.
makes sense. So they have to pay
An extra
they have to
$100.
they have to update to the 512 gig to get Touch
But
ID.
normally, if you get the normal base model, then it just shows like a lock symbol right there that you just press to like turn off your Mac app, basically.
Right.
But yeah,
Here's your Touch ID.
pretty cool.
We have it set up now, and what we noticed is, the color screen monitor is beautiful. Everything so far is amazing, very close to a MacBook Air expectations. And Sebastian's going to go ahead and start a video. We've been turning
Apple
things,
TV.
turning on some apps, closing them. Very responsive, very quick.
There we go. I was watching F1 earlier, so that's why.
And what I have to say as well is that these new speakers that Apple's using now,
They're
let's
Dolby
zoom in
Atmos.
on that. Let's zoom in on that a little bit. Those little slots right there on either side are giving you a simulated Dolby Atmos, which is great,
As
and we
well
really do
on
love
the other side.
good audio on a laptop. And at this price point, it just can't be beat.
Yes.
Picture quality, capability, speed, weight, everything. Apple just definitely checked off all the boxes with this, you guys. We highly recommend it. But hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and keep subscribed and check out our future videos that are coming out with other tech and other travel. Thanks for watching. Bye.